The question is, identify the major products P, Q and R in the following sequence of reaction. Benzene plus this compound gives P, Q and R. We have to find this. Now its solution: CH3, CH2, CH2 and Cl. Cl will get disconnected from here and will attach here, which will give this compound. Here will be slightly positive charge on this carbon and slightly negative charge here. Now here is benzene. When this after this reaction, this will happen. Here is slightly positive charge, it will get connected to benzene here, the middle carbon atom. Now after oxidation, it will become this group COOH. We have found the value of P. Now after hydrolysis, hydroperoxide rearrangement, the compound will become OH, hydroxylic group. So Q is this one and R is this one.